الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده أما بعد فإني أجد في نفسي عواطف الشوق والشكر والتقدير إذ أنا أقوم بين أيديكم في هذه الحفلة الختامية لهذه الدورة العاشرة. أنتم والله لموفقون إذ أنتم تشرفون هذا الدار وأنتم جالسون في هذه القاعة. أنا مرة بعد مرة أنظر إلى فضائلكم ولا أتيقن أننا بتوفيق الله وفضله قد وصلنا إلى هذا الحد. والله قد نصرنا في هذا المسير والشيخ نصير الدين القاسمي أستاذي ومدير هذه الدار كان مقلقا جدا قبل أيام بداية هذه الدورة لأمور يعلمها وأعلمها، ولكن هذا هو فضل الله. والله هذا هو فضل الله أن هذه الدورة قد اكتملت وقد اختتمت، وإني أرى أننا قد جاهدنا، بل جاهد هؤلاء الأباقرة ولست منهم، لست من المجاهدين، لست من المجتهدين في إنجاح هذه الدورة. أنا أجد عواطف السرور إذ أنا آخر هذه القائمة. أنا أجلس في هذه الليلة، إن هذا فضل الله. أنتم ما شاء الله صرتم متكلمين بالعربية ومجيدينها، وأنا لا أجد باعة طويلة مثلكم في العربية، فلذا أود أن أتكلم بالإنجليزية. وفي حضور الشيخ سجاد القاسمي أنا أيضا أستحي أن أتكلم، ولكن هو أستاذي للأبد إن شاء الله، وهذا هو نجاحي وهذا هو فلاحي وفوزي إذ أنا قد وصلت بمناسبة هذه الدورة إليه. So this is an amazing feeling in my heart as I am standing here in front of these dignitaries and legend personalities from various languages. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala helped us to achieve this goal and complete this remarkable journey throughout last 25 days. I feel sorry as I couldn't be with you throughout all these days, but Mufti Sajjad Hussain Al-Qasmi, he is the that one shining and sparking star in the sky of this Daura that has united us. Every student, since Zohar till Asr, the program was done. What every student's feeling about this Daura, everyone has said one common thing, and that was Mufti Sajjad Hussain Sahab Qasmi and his personality done an amazing effort and played a remarkable role to success this Daura. I would like to thank each and every student of you. First of all, you have been the real player of this successful journey. Every one of you has remarkably done, and this Markaz is very short to organize such programs. You from every far and near corner of India, you are from Kerala to UP to Bengal to Bihar to Gujarat and every far and near, MP and UP and many other places. I couldn't name all of them, but this is a very short madrasa or institution that can be a good place to organize such programs. My brother from Canada, my brother from America, these are such golden periods we are living in this Markaz. Mufti Sajjad Hussain, we would like to invite him more and more times in future. He has been a teacher of me, myself, and all of my students. And we will learn from him a lot, inshallah, in both the languages. We will listen to his lectures on YouTube and everywhere. Maulana Nasiruddin Al-Qasmi and his dignitary, his personality was the real factor to make this program success. Also, Sheikh Abdul Rauf Sahab, Sheikh Ammar, Sheikh Shahnawaz, my brother, Sheikh Abu Zar, he is not here today, and all those names, Maulana Muhammad Noor, Maulana Sulaiman, Maulana Ramiz, I would like to name all of them. Everyone has done a lot with full respect to each other. The atmosphere they have built was amazing. And I was the loser who could not come here on time and who could not attend their meetings in classes and outside the class. This is my I don't feel very well as I am standing here. So sorry to all of you, and I would like to invite all of you again and again. This is your Markaz, this is your institution. We are here for you all in future. Once you get time, please come here and always be in touch with these dignitaries. They have a lot of knowledge. They are ocean of knowledge. And I am a student of Arabic and English, and I have talked with a broken language in front of these dignitaries. This is not a good time to stand more and more. Thank you everyone. Please, I cannot name all of them. You all are welcome in future here too. Thank you so much.